Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in here to Coco Lencho Japan's. I'm just coming back from dropping off the garbage. Over there is where we drop it off. And on my way back, couldn't help but to notice our neighbors are flooding their fields, getting ready for rice. Spring is here, so a lot of things going on. What I wanted to do with this is just a quick little video as I make my way down to the house. Just kind of give you a little update of some of the mini projects that I have going on here. Yeah, this is my neighbor's tractor. Isn't it pretty cool? They just, leave it here in the water. This is the rice field, and I'm kind of surrounded somewhat by rice fields here throughout. And then the evening, you can hear the frogs just going away at it. So yeah, starting from the top, lots of good progress here in our upper backyard. It got leveled out. It looks like the kuzu, those vines are somewhat under control. Here, right now it's the growing season, so almost every week I have to come out here and mow it. I mowed this about last Thursday, and today is Wednesday. Let's see, let me make it down this way to my little garden here from above. I managed to get some my garden bed going here. If you watched some of the videos before, you know what I'm talking about. If not, go ahead and go back and please watch some of the videos before. All this was full of debris and remnants from the old house and whatnot, and this was some sort of, I don't know, water containment system or whatever. So we turned it into some sort of raised bed. I'm here from above, and we got a row of strawberries all the way around here. And those are my rows of cilantro. Definitely got to have some cilantro. It's looking really good from up here. And some tomatillo, pepper, tomatoes, and cucumbers. And over there on that side, all along over there, I have some cantaloupe and watermelon. So now I've been working on a kind of a watering system I have going on right here. You can see the hoses everywhere. But way over there in the corner, I have, there's a spigot. So right now I just kind of testing the concept. I ran some hose all along this drainage right here. And then this afternoon, let me make it down this little hill here. I clamped them down. This one got a little too tight, so I clamped them down, and I still gotta fix this because it was leaking. But this is the one that's coming from the main spigot over there, and then I could just open and close as needed. But just with that, I can water all 4 points, which is this area right here, the cilantro and tomatillo, and the strawberries. Ooh, look, you can see some coming. And the cantaloupe and watermelon all at once. And then I was at the store today, and I noticed that they have a little automatic timer thing where I can just set it. And I'll be doing that once the concept proves that it's going to work. I drilled little holes in the hose, and so basically right where the plant is at. And let's see, here's our little faucet. That's where I'm going to put the little automatic timer thing. And again, so hopefully I would be able to just water as needed automatically. Let me go ahead and make it down to the garage real quick. Again, this is just this quick little update, if you don't mind. Again, if you like what you see, please hit subscribe, thumbs up, all of that good stuff. I'm a foreigner living in the countryside. I work down in town under SOFA status, which is status of forced agreement, working for the U.S. government. So if you're interested in that, please go check it out too. I got a video. It will be at the end of this video. I've been working on the shelving system here for my garage. This is kind of not temporary, but eventually I want to get little nicer containers, Tupperware, to put all this kind of stuff in there. But I got that going on, and now I need to work my way around this way and get rid of all this mess right here. And look at this. Oh my God, it's so frustrating working here because I know that I have a certain tool, whatever, among my mess, but I just can't find it. And but I'm working on it. Getting there. But yeah, eventually I have the pegboard system and blah 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 and hanging and everything. Also, we're working with Gaxon, our carpenter, to get a garage door installed on this side for my wife's car, and then here I want a glass door so I can look out while I'm working here. And one last thing, let's see, well actually a couple more things. Today we have the roof guy over here repairing some of the shikui, the kind of the end here. You can see the house right there, and each of those right there, some of them are cracking, so I was concerned that they would leak, so went ahead and had him come over and fix all of these before the rainy season. Oh, another project is I gotta plant this weeping plum tree that we're gonna put over there by the Japanese garden, but right now I just put it right next to this really cool rain chain so that it could get water, because I just have not been able to get it. All right, lastly, I forgot to turn off the light in the garage, so now I gotta go back down there. But lastly, I've been working on the rose garden. I've been working on this quite a bit. Created a little arch system. These are just really kind of, I guess, the trellis from greenhouses. So normally, you know, they're separated, I don't know, whatever, several feet or more apart from each other, and you create a big greenhouse. But I just took 3 of these on the center block, cemented down, and then it's nice and tight in there, and got our rose garden going here. Multiple colors. My wife really loves yellow, so that's kind of the focus, but she doesn't like red, so anything but red. Little mini rose going on here. That one's purple. The thought process is that we're going to sit out here. I'm gonna build a fire pit right here, and a screen right there with a projector. We can sit out here and enjoy the evening, watching some YouTube videos, movies, whatever. And once I get to my Japanese garden, be able to just kind of sit out here and enjoy the evening. And folks, this is what it's all about, living in the countryside of Japan. All right, so that's just a little quick update of everything I got going on at once, along with work. So, I forgot. And also the camper van that we're in the process of purchasing, and be able to do road trips around Japan as well. So if you're interested in any of those topics that I just talked about, please hit subscribe, like and share, and follow us along. All right, have a great day. Bye.